Welcome back to another episode of Marketing in 5. And in today's episode, we're going to talk about why your funnels don't work and how to fix it. So last time, if you remember, we talked about the funnels, and most funnels probably won't work, especially off the start. And there are a few key reasons for that. And I'm going to dive into what those might be and how to fix them so you can identify yourself if your funnels aren't working and then make it better. So the first reason is the wrong crowd. So the problem here is you're just showing your ads in the wrong space. So with socials, you can target your ads and choose who they go in front of. And I mean, the example I've got here is like, you wouldn't sell footballs at a rugby match. You got to know who you're putting your product in front of, and then you can make sure that they'll start buying. Because if I turn up to like a vegan festival and start selling steaks, no one's going to buy them. And it's not because no one wants to buy your product, it's because you're selling it in the wrong place. So it's a really simple fix, and that's just get clear on who your target audience is. And then once you know that, really dial in and then go, okay, where do I find them? Where are they going to be? So if they're a Gen Z native group, then Instagram and TikTok are probably a better find than Facebook for your ad spend. But yeah, so figure out where they are and then get the best quality clicks. So it's not about getting the cheapest ones, it's about getting the most qualified ones that lead to the most sales. The next point, we're going to talk about weak offers. So the problem here is that what you're selling just sucks, and there's no nice way of dressing that up. A good funnel with the best ad, the best creative, the best copy won't sell something that people don't want. And how you need to look at this is, okay, well, am I solving a problem for anyone? And if the answer is no, then am I going to get any customers? So if I turn up and say, oh, I'm going to give you some marketing advice, then you're like, oh, okay, great, marketing advice. But if I turn around and say, I'm going to teach you how to make your funnels really good and fix the ones that are broken, then you're like, oh, my funnels aren't working. I might click on this and see if it's interesting and relevant to me. And the thing here, so the fix is repackaging your offer. It's not what I'm doing is changing. It's just I'm saying specifically what the problem I'm solving is. So a person feeling that pain will look at that and go, yep, that's what I want to do. So improve your offer, and often it's a case of repackaging rather than changing your service or your product. And the last point we're going to move on to is no trust or no nurture. And the problem here is really simple. It's you're just asking for a sale too fast. I think a lot of time if you're a young brand or you don't have a sort of engaged, established audience and loyal customers, what you need to do is win people over. So you need to give them time. And if you give them time and you can show them that they can trust you, that's when you'll start seeing more success in your marketing funnels. So the trick here to fix it is to build a nurture sequence. So you need to figure out what you're going to show people in order to get them from stranger to fully trust you, and I'm going to give you my money to deliver a good or a service. So show them testimonials, keep in touch with them, respond to them on social media, engage with your audience, and give them something. If you're offering a service, maybe give them like a month for free, or give them a free trial, or create some urgency, and then they'll start to build that trust, and you've built a relationship with them so that when they buy, they're really not a stranger anymore. So funnels aren't just your pages and your clicks, and it's not just putting up a good ad. You're taking the customer on a journey. So their journey from seeing you to buying, and you need to understand that when you're looking at your funnel. So it's not just a one-dimensional, I do this, they buy. It's okay, how am I going to take them from stranger to customer? So there you have it. That's another episode of Marketing in 5. If you've learned something and want to stick around for more, hit the subscribe button. So yeah, thanks for listening.